Okay, I want to remove this gas block or mixing chamber. I need this for another lantern. This lantern is a lot rougher shaped than the one that I'm working on, so I'm robbing Peter to pay Paul. So I'm going to show you a short little video here how I remove these burner tubes, the burners, and the air tube. First of all, I'm going to heat up the chamber. Try not to heat the tubes, just the chamber. Get a little heat on them with the torch. Wrap leather around the burner cap. Okay, that's not wanting to turn. I'm afraid I'm going to twist and bend my tubes. So next step, I'm going to heat the burner cap itself. Now we'll see if we can turn the cap. This one's being very difficult, so I'm going to switch to the other side. Just get one of them off. I got a trick for getting the other one off. Alright, we're getting somewhere on that one. Okay, we got this plumber's flaring vise. We'll apply our heat again. Now hopefully, well, got the burner cap turning now, so that's one step. Okay, I got my tube back in the flaring vise. Remove this screw from the bottom air tube. Generally these will just turn right out. Remove the top screw. Sometimes these are a pain in the hind end to get out. I got lucky on this. Just got that sitting in the vise. I'm going to heat it with a torch. Drop that down the vise. I'm just going to snug it down. Tighten our flaring vise back down. Holding that with the vice grips because it's still kind of hot. Anyway, there you have it. That's how you remove the air tube and burner caps from stubber and mixing chambers without crushing them. Alright, if you all like these kind of videos, be sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe while you're at it. God bless.